Hey guys, welcome back. Here Rax, Professor Rax here. I'm gonna explain what is an algorithm, right? So let me see. With this video, you're gonna learn basic algorithm. You're gonna learn what is an algorithm, what are the concepts of an algorithm, why do we use algorithms, and a summary of the importance of algorithms. So an algorithm is a well-defined sequence of steps or instructions designed to perform a specific task or solve a particular problem. So, what do we mean with this? An algorithm is like a recipe. It's like something you. It's like a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Picture this is a list. So in this list, I'm gonna say, hey, I'm gonna go down, go up, go right, go left, jump, jump. This could be an algorithm. So why do we use algorithms? In computer science, we use algorithms to make software. So these softwares, we make these softwares to, how I can say this, to solve problems. Why do we want to solve a problem? Because that's what a programmer, a computer scientist do. Try to solve problems with computers. So here's a computer. This computer, you put problems, this problem gets solved, and here comes an output. The problem solved. Here is a problem that is solved. So why this is so important? Why it is so important? Why is it so important to learn to solve problems with computers? So it depends on the person, right? For example, if you have a project where you wanted to help humanity to solve hunger, like hunger problems, then what you do? You try to make an algorithm. You make an algorithm where you try to solve that problem with that algorithm. It is like a system. This is like a system, a system you make to solve problems to help humanity. So what do I want you to learn from this video? I want you to learn from this video that an algorithm is something we humans use to solve very complex problems, like very complex problems every time. Like life is with a lot of problems. Like there are a lot of problems to solve in life. So we use these algorithms to solve all of these problems, like all of these problems, all of them. But why? Because life is hard. Life is hard, and we need to solve these problems. So there comes a software developer. A software developer is someone that creates a software. Picture this as software. Creates a software. He creates a software, or she or it creates a software where you solve a problem. That's why this person tries to, like, picture this as a person. This is a person. Let me make better drawing. This is a person, and this person creates an algorithm to solve a very specific problem. This is a problem. This is the issue to solve. So this is the system. This is the system. The system this person creates to solve a problem. So this system could be open a book, read some paper. Like, picture you need to solve a problem to open a door. How do you open a door? Like, what do you do to open a door? You need to. This is an example of an algorithm. So picture you are using an algorithm to open the door. How do you open the door? I first touch this thing that doors have. I guess that you think what I'm talking about. This, I forgot the word, but you got me. You touch the door. Picture this is a door. You can correct me in the comments. You pull off the door. So you have the door open. Like, what I want you to learn is that an algorithm is something that we, in summary, let's make a summary. It's a list that we use to solve something. to solve something. For example, we can look for an algorithm in Google. Like, we have Google, so we can go for it. Here is an example of an algorithm. This is a more complex algorithm, like bubble sort. This is a example. We define bubble sort, then we define n, then we create a loop, and we create a if, and we return r. We return the value. So we've created an algorithm to solve a problem. That's it. If you can make an algorithm, if you can make an algorithm, I'm not saying that you're a programmer, but if you can make an algorithm, you are closer to be a programmer, because that's what computer science do. Computer scientists do that. They create algorithms. They make algorithms to solve very hard problems. That's it. I really hope you have got what I'm saying. I've made my best for you to understand this concept. So if this really worked for you, please share it and give a like, and please let me know what I can improve in the next video. Rax out.